the alcohol which is stronger in strength than this proof spirit is called overproof, and the weaker one is called underproof. This is the definition of the overproof and underproof. Then question arises, what is proof alcohol or proof spirit? The proof spirit is a mixture of alcohol and purified water. We will have to say it is a mixture of two things. Proof spirit is a mixture of alcohol and purified water. Ratio would be 12th by 30th of an equal volume of purified water at 51 degree Fahrenheit. The ratio would be 12 by 30th. Then the formation of the spirit will be happen, and it would be proof spirit. When we are saying rectified spirit 60 degree overproof माने rectified spirit 60 degree overproof means that 100 volume of the alcohol diluted with purified water will give 160 volume of purified spirit. Okay, clear it is?
Yes, sir.
100 volume of alcohol diluted with purified water will give 160 volume of proof spirit. Then we say that rectified spirit 60 degree overproof. Okay. When we are saying that rectified spirit 40 degree overproof, 40 degree overproof means it is over than 40 degree, 40 times 40 plus. It is prepared by mixing 7 parts of strong alcohol with 1 part of purified water, both by volume. It contains 73.37 by weight of a strong alcohol, specific gravity 0.8646 at 15.6 degrees centigrade. So we will make overproof or underproof by this process. How can we make the 60 degree overproof? Rectified spirit 60 degree overproof we will have to make by the process of, it is prepared by mixing 375 ml of purified water with 1000 ml of strong alcohol. Then rectified spirit would be formed. Where it is used? It is used for potentization of medicine under centesimal scale. Under centesimal scale it is prepared. And also rectified spirit is used for cleaning of the utensils. When we are saying that rectified spirit 20 degree overproof OP, how we will make? It is prepared by mixing 6 parts of strong alcohol with 2 parts of purified water, both by volume. It contains 60.85% by weight of strong alcohol, and specific gravity is 0.8936. It is overproof. So by this way we will make the overproof. Now we are saying underproof. In case of underproof, 10% underproof, 10 degree underproof, 30 degree underproof, or 60 degree underproof. What will happen in this case? 10% underproof means that 100 volume of liquid contain 90 volume of proof spirit. It means 100 minus 10. If we are saying that 30 degree underproof, that means 100 volume of liquid contains 70 volume of proof spirit. means 100 minus 30. 60-degree underproof means that 100 volume of liquid contains 40 volume of proof speed. It means 100 minus 60. So, in case of overproof or in case of underproof, what we are doing? In case of overproof, we are adding with the 100. In case of underproof, we are doing minus from the 100. So, like this, we can make the underproof and overproof spirit. In case of proof spirit, it is a mixture of alcohol and purified water weighing 12 by 30th of equal volume of purified water. It contains 57.1% by volume or 49.28% by weight of ethyl alcohol. The specific gravity of the proof spirit is 0.919 at 15.6 degrees centigrade. A strong alcohol is stronger than proof spirit is called overproof, and weaker one is called the underproof. I have already told. Rectified spirit, 60-degree overproof means 100 volume of alcohol mixed with purified water give 100 volume of proof spirit. Its strength is fixed for excise department. Excise department has already fixed the ratio. So like this underproof and overproof we may say. And another one is what is methylated spirit. In examination in short note viva examiner may ask. Methylated spirit is also known as dentured spirit. How it is prepared? Preparation is done. Rectified spirit mixed with poisonous or bad smelling substance. When the alcohol is mixed for going the bad smelling, because most of the people used in case of intoxication, for preventing the intoxication, there is methylated spirit or dentured spirit is prepared. Substances usually mixed are methyl alcohol, benzene, bone oil, and crude pyridine. Like this, we are methylated spirit are prepared. In examination comes what is dentured spirit or what is methylated spirit. Alcohol is largely used as solvent and also as intoxicating drinks. To make it unfit for the unlawful human consumption, poisonous or bad smelling substances are mixed in small quantities with the rectified spirit. The mixture is known as dentured spirit. So it is methylated spirit. And another one is more important. What is standard proof spirit? Standard proof spirit is standard proof spirit is a mixture containing 57.1% by volume of ethyl alcohol and 42.9% by volume of purified water. It is called standard proof spirit. One formula you will have to understand or underline in the book or write down in your notebook. Formula for conversion from percentage to proof strength or vice versa. It is according to UK, because US and UK there are two countries and we follow the rule of the UK. 90% overproof is equal to 90% is equal to 1990 into 1.75 minus 100. This is the formula for making the overproof. So this formula will applicable in conversion of alcohol. And another some questions are comes. One more thing should be asked. Food value of alcohol. It is used as examiner may ask, alcohol is a good food or not? Because we know that there is carbohydrate, protein, fat. These are the three things we are used for the energy. For carbohydrate, we take carbohydrate for energy. We take protein for energy. And alcohol, those person who are taking the spirit, they are also thinking that it is a good food. So examiner asked, the calorie value of alcohol in diet lies in between carbohydrate and fat, because the carbohydrate 1 gram gives 4.3 kilocalorie energy, whereas fat gives 9.3 kilocalorie energy and alcohol gives 7 kilocalorie energy. So the alcohol values in between the carbohydrate and fat. So it is a intermittent position. So the calorie value of alcohol in diet lies in between the carbohydrate and fat, whereas alcohol supplies 7 calorie. As such, a pint of whiskey will supply 1400 calorie approx. So few persons told that alcohol is a good food because it produces energy in the body. The alcohol may be regarded as a food within certain limit. The chief point is whether it can be regarded as protein sparer. The protein helps in formation and repair of tissue. Carbohydrate and fats are source of heat and energy. Since alcohol does not contain any nitrogen, it cannot replace protein and therefore has no power to build tissues. Whereas about 90% of alcohol taken disappears in the body and is converted into carbon dioxide and water by virtue of the chemical energy. Thus, liberated can replace carbohydrate and fat in the diet, and in this sense, it is a non-nitrogenous food. So, alcohol is a non-nitrogenous food. It is also asked in the examination or in the viva. And it also gives to the energy 7 kilocalorie energy produced by the alcohol. So alcohol is also called maybe a good food. But when taken with other foods, it economizes the use of fat and carbohydrate, which in their turn are stored in the body. The carbohydrate as a glycogen and fat in tissue. As alcohol does not require digestion, it is in a sense superior to other foods. Moreover, it does not require more energy for absorption than other foods. So these are the knowledge regarding the alcohol in case of producing the energy. Now, advantages of alcohol. What are the advantages of alcohol in homeopathy? Non-expensive. It is non-invasive as it is prepared from waste product, that is molasses. In India, molasses is a cheap source for production of the alcohol. It has no medicinal property of its own because it is a good vehicle. We know that it is a good vehicle for us. Neutral in reaction, we know that is neither acidic nor alkaline and not spoiled by long storage. If you are keeping it for the long time, medicinal value it retains, but it does not spoil itself. So it is a good vehicle in homeopathy. Soluble with almost all common fluids. Edible in small doses, acts as a stimulant and is non-poisonous. Another point is preparation is not much difficult. In the advantages, it possesses great extracting power for the medicinal properties from crude and mucilaginous substances. at 70% strength, it acts as a great preserver of animal and plant tissues. It is used in increasing strength for dehydration of animal and plant tissue. So these are the advantages of the alcohol, and disadvantages is it evaporates easily, so it should be kept in airtight bottle because it is very much volatile. And another disadvantage is that highly inflammable, it keeps near fire, so it should be kept away from the fire. So it should be kept in cool place away from fire with firefighting arrangement is needed. So these were the advantages. Also, I have already told many of the things I have already previously discussed. Type of alcohol and ethyl alcohol, and also I have told what are the impurities. Impurities like presence of acid, impurities, impure alcohol, and presence of fusel oil, presence of another things I have already discussed. Presence of water, how can you detect presence of methyl alcohol, how you will detect. There were two things, fusel oil and methyl alcohol are present in the alcohol. So there is some practical, in the practical classes you should have. How can you identify the presence of acid? You should have to do the experiment, and the given sample of alcohol is soaked with blue litmus paper. Observation, it turns red. Then we may say inference is presence of acid. Purified water is added to the sample of alcohol in equal volumes. What would be the observation? A foreign smell is found. That means it is impure alcohol. Okay. A few drop of silver nitrate, that means AgNO3, is added to the sample of alcohol in a clean test tube and exposed to bright light. The observation, what would be the observation? A reddish color is noticed. That means presence of fusel oil. And for fusel oil, another more experiment. Equal volume of concentrated H2SO4 and the sample of alcohol mixed. Observation, appearance of red or blue color. That means presence of fusel oil. Or fusel oil, one more observation. A small quantity of alcohol is made to evaporate from porcelain dish. This is protected from dust. Observation, after evaporation of alcohol, there is foreign odor from the evaporation disk. That means presence of fusel oil. And presence of methyl alcohol is very much important because in the examination it is also asked. Oil of wintergreen test. 3 to 4 ml of alcohol is taken in a test tube and 1 gram of sodium salicylate or salicylic acid is added, and then 1 ml of concentrated H2SO4 is added and warmed. What is the observation? A characteristic fragrant smell of methyl salicylate oil of wintergreen, and that means presence of methyl alcohol. So these are the tests by which I have already discussed regarding the 3 varieties of alcohol: absolute alcohol, strong alcohol, dilute alcohol, and dispensing alcohol. So now today everything regarding the alcohol is finished. Is there any question from your side? হ্যালো, তাহলে ঠিক আছে, আজকে মোটামুটি অ্যালকোহলটা শেষ করে দিলাম। আর যদি কিছু নতুন জানার থাকে তাহলে বলতে পারো।